Hey, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to perform a batch of ALT, which is of 43 samples. These are the 43 samples which I am going to perform in a batch. So I took the 43 test tube in a rack, and what are the things we need? I need a blue test tube, and I need a yellow tips and blue tips. And after that, I need a pipette. I need a reagents, which is of RN1 and R2. Let me tell you how to do it. First, take the pipette and adjust into the 4000, and then attach the blue tip. Then take the reagent R1 and add the 400 microliter in all the test tube like this. You have to add all the test tube with R1 reagent. Then you have to move to the next. After filling all, now for the R2 you have to readjust the pipette into 100, and then take the R2 and put the R2 in all the test tube as I already. What is the method of pipetting? This is basically the original method, that you have to place the tip at the wall of the test tube, then you have to dispense till the first step of the pipetting. Now I am adding all the R2 into the R1 reagent. This is basically the static method, so you don't have to wait. When you mix the reagent, it will stay up to 7 days at the temperature of 2 to 8. So you can mix it as the flow of the test samples are very high in your lab. As my flow is not very high, so that's why I am making the reagent. You can say it a working reagent. I am making the reagent on the spot. You can make a working reagent and use it up to the 7 days. After that, I took another pipette, which is I adjusted into the 50 microliter and switch on the machine and enter into the measuring of ALT. First of all, what I have to take, let me show you. This is what I have to take first. The first step is take the pipette, open the yellow tip rack, take the sample, and took 50 microliter of sample and dispense it into the test tube. Take the test tube off, make it like rub into the palm, like you make it into the 37 degrees C, and then you have to take the sample like this and place it like this. Don't remove until there is a beep, like this beep. Now the sample is free. Now wait until the measuring is complete. This is the reading after around 2 minutes. So this is 55, which is higher than the normal range. Next, move towards the next sample.